Crypto.com provides a complete solution in a trusty platform for any cryptocurrency customer around the globe. A customer can not only buy and sell cryptocurrencies inside their exchanger platform but also trade and earn interest on major cryptocurrencies. Additionally, a customer can get an instant crypto loan depositing crypto. Moreover, can use their crypto debit card, which is an excellent collaboration with Visa to pay using your stored cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com history. The domain was first created in 1993 by Matt Blaze, which was a cryptographer at that time. In 2018, the Monaco coin bought the domain and organized a marketing campaign to brand the domain. Their main goal is the creation of a safe environment to help the consumers to pay with their cryptocurrency deposition using a debit card. In 2019, Crypto.com developed and launched their exchange. In 2020, Crypto.com developed and launched a wallet app. Furthermore, they created their token to be used in their platform, which is Crypto.com COINAUTHORITY. To use a debit card provided, a consumer has to buy and use their CRO. Crypto.com wallet app provides a secure place to start the crypto journey, where a consumer can buy, sell, store and send 7 fiat and more than 80 cryptocurrencies. Also, it gives the possibility to track more than 200 coins. Holding cryptocurrencies to verify transactions and support the network can become beneficial with an excellent reward, paid weekly in crypto. With a crypto deposit, a consumer can get an instant loan on better terms than a conventional loan, including a flexible credit limit and payback. Nevertheless, Crypto.com is a platform that provides its consumers with a safe and easy way to pay everywhere using their crypto deposit and have the same benefits as a conventional cardholder. By using the metal Visa card, a consumer would be able to reward up to 8% CRO back on spending. Also, a consumer would be able to benefit from Crypto.com offer for Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb and many more.